Hello and welcome back to my second episode when I try to talk in English, even that my English is horrifying. My first video was a totally mess, and I don't lie, I don't exert, I don't amplify. So you know, and when you don't succeed, and you don't win, you try again. That's why I that's what I do right now. And you know, same ship, same game, same target, just to win. So cause my ship is so slow. Technically I uh, you know I don't want to talk pretty much because my English is pretty bad. So we are coming sorry, we are coming back with some updates. Okay, I don't move pretty much, and my teammates had just detected some enemies. So when I see something red, I just start shooting. I knew that it was a meme with that, and which said, and after that I just start shooting. I don't remember if it's exactly that, but there are no, I don't believe. I don't watch out the score, and already one of my teammates had just died. Destroyer. It remained just one left. I try to, you know, here is me. Hold up. I I thought that it was an enemy ship. I tried to take by surprise from behind the enemy team. That's my main tactic. Just surprise. But with the size of this ship, it it's a little bit hard. Sir, I don't know. I have secondary guns that. Oh my god! I just hit him. You know, I I'm not sad. I just sunk an enemy ship. That's great. If I stay to think there, and my tactic it's kinda working. Okay, this guy is just annoying me. I just shoot in my teammate. I don't believe. If they sunk another of our battleship, oh, he sunk too. Sometimes I'm just so numb, and just wow. I was not thinking that I will hit that. Sorry, but okay, my guns are just reloading slow too, so it will take a while. Come on, just sunk. I don't got it. I just hit him. Finally. Oh my god, that takes so long. Okay, that's another battleship. I have the light. My health is is surprisingly pretty good. Pretty good. Sorry, my English is you know not the best. And of course, some no, I don't. Yeah, some, I don't know why, just in the middle of the match. Oh no, oh no, no. You thought you can just capture our base. No, no, I don't let him. I just random shoot at him, and that's what I like to see. Die. This game, I don't know what it don't make. Even that just, I just, I just say pretty loud that die, 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 but it don't make me. I'm kind of, I don't know, violent. I'm still pretty, you know, chill, baby. Almost my, I no, technically I have, um, I think 99% of my video I may are made in Romanian, because it's my native language. But in English I don't make pretty much, because the reason it's, why did I just miss that? Okay, that's another battleship, so it's not pretty good. I shoot at this guy because have less health than this guy. So okay, there are two, but I will concentrate fire on this one. My secondary targets are making the most damage. It don't surprise me, because I, I'm not very professional at this game. Oh my god, I was on fire. I just spam him. And this one is, for a second I thought I was just it I just my team was defeated. Okay, so they are protecting their base too. I don't really look at map, because my phone stand in front of them. I I make all the videos on my phone. I Why, just how is he still alive? Because I just sunk him, and yeah, the logic sometimes is not pretty good. uh, yeah, I'm dead. Everybody's just shooting at me, because I'm the big guy, the big guy of my team. Okay, there are one more, so sheesh, I destroy him. So you know all my video are made on phone, because I don't have on laptop or on my computer. I don't have some app to you know just make the video directly from it, so I need to do all the work on my phone, and I don't edit, so it's not that hard. But because I don't edit, it makes my video a little bit cringer, and yeah, I just take a lot of damage from this guy. Just die. Okay, my base is clean, no red, but my health is absolutely bad. There are just too many, too many enemies. My secondary guns have done a lot of damage, because I'm so close to him, and all my cannons, my turrets are just reload so slow. Yes, now run. You're just I was fighting and my teammates just stay there, chill, just let Matthew to do all the work. I don't know. If you don't know, if you don't got it from my Romanian videos, my name is Matthew. In Romanian is Matei, but my turrets are moving so slow also. The speed at this type of battleship, I win, right? Come on, just don't be like, yes, I sunk five five enemy battleship from, I don't know, 15 or 20 or how much there are. I sunk five, which is a lot. My my secondary battery guns hit 39 times, which is something. And you know, when I win, I need to enter another battle, cause you know the video will be too boring if I just win. So probably I will lose this time, cause you know I'm so unlucky at all the games. So you know what I do? I will come back with some updates. Okay, my situation is not, if I state anything, horrible. I, my my cruiser are just destroyed by another one, and if my voice is just terrible, it's not my fault. It's just my voice. My voice is, of course, horrifying me. So yeah, he he just I want to hit that one, but you know it's too far, and he have a lot of help. The problems which I have with the destroyer are that they are so fast. They are just moving at lightning speed, and my boat is, you know, moving at the lowest speed the humanity has ever seen, and of course amplified. Okay, finally I just detected, and I lost him again. Why can you not see from this smoke? Okay, I hit him. His main turret is hardly damaged. Of course, another victim. That destroyer deal a lot of damage. He's pretty good with the destroyer, so you know. My secondary battery turrets are making their work. I'm just trying to shoot him. Of course, I don't succeed. I just come on, just shoot him. It was so close to take, but I can't take friendly damage. So now I'm just reloading. So stay chill, drink something, take some from your fridge, eat something, look at TV, because you know it will take us a whole year to just reload some guns. Finally, uh, I, I take severe damage, and the subject before that was destroyer. They are so mobile, they can move really fast, they can are so easy to control, and they have something which I don't have, and I'm just scared of that, and that's torpedoes. I don't have torpedoes because that's a, a little bit of a, just low tire battleship, and damage is of course one of which have a normal battleship, but I don't have torpedoes, and that's really 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 bad. At close range I'm not okay, because I can't use torpedoes, and the others can, which is pretty annoying. Okay, I deal something that's clear. I have something that he don't have, uh, someone to help me, but he had something very important which I don't. Okay, okay, I thought I would say the health, but my teammate which have torpedoes and I don't have, use them on the enemy, which was great, really great idea. Now he's like dead, but he just could. I destroy him with my secondary battery turret. I want to go to their base, but they are moving to ours, and that guy is just don't do anything. Okay, that's not good. That's really really bad. So they are coming right to our base, and I need to defend it. Okay, that guy just stop, and if he is not moving, okay, now he's moving. Okay, I hit him now twice, and one of my friends had just sent me a message and asked me if I play. You know that when someone don't respond at your message, if it's me, or or I make a video which will probably have just view, but sorry, which probably will have just 2 likes, and one of that will be mine, or I'm just busy, even that I am that type of kid which is a lot of time online, I still have things to do in life. So that's a message for my friends, which I don't think they will just see my video ever in their life, but it's good to know for everyone. I don't want to use my repairs because you see at my bar, it won't help me. Okay, my teammate is just sitting there and taking shot, which kinda helped me if I stay to think, because they distract him, but you know he move or just seem to me? Okay, I need to do something fast before they realize that he's AFK and he's not a real threat to them, and that's not good. Torpedoes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. How close was that? Okay, so we have a battleship, a cruiser, and a destroyer. Perfect. I will technically and 100% I will die, because there are too many, and even that I have the ship which had at serve is have a lot of health. I I lost him again. Where did that guy just go? Okay, the only one which I see they're incoming. Of course, from my back. From back. My only teammate are approaching their base. Me, I'm just dead. If you hear something on which is not me, probably is my family. It's just Friday. It's a clear limit. And it's 13. Yes, 13 Friday when I make this video, which is not a great day if you state thing, but I'm not that type of guy which believes in signs from, I don't know. I'm just religious and just that. But I don't want to large to go deep in that subject. Because, it's not my. He's one of the. Is that Germany or is just. Yes, I'm dead. And that's mine. And torpedoes are just to. I'm one hit, one hit. Come on, come on, just before I die. And I completely die. We're coming back with a new game, and of course, to respond to my friend. I just it, even in 10 seconds I just got detected. I'm so big. Write in the comments. I'm so big that can literally just see me from miles away. And, you know, yeah, a little bit sad. I make shorts, and in that short I just want to draw some different flags of different countries, but no one is watching them. So go on my channel, go on my short, and my team has already start capturing their base, which is something pretty good. Okay, I need to destroy that destroyer, because he's so annoying. When you use it, you feel so free, so light, and it can be really annoying if he's use and torpedoes. Finally, yes, we start the first kill was on destroyer, pretty good. And okay, I destroy another ship. That was really fast. This time a cruiser. They're seeing. There are just two battleships in all in each team, so it will be kind of equal. But I think I just destroyed all the moral they have. Okay, don't I don't like where I go. Another battleship. This is not too good. It's just horrifying. I'm just me with which I'm set on fire. And I just, where are my teammates? Okay, I will go to their base, because you know, when I need to run, I run. I don't wait. He is of course moving so slow with the turrets. I just, okay, another enemy is dead. Okay, I set him on fire. He take me a lot of help. That guys, he is on battleship too, which kind of stressed me, you know, because there are no longer any destroyers. We have problem in our base. Why do I just can't? Okay, I can. Why did I just not watch the minimap? No, if you watch in this video and you reach that, that sorry, my English very bad. It's very bad. I don't know what is my problem. So yeah, I remind you to just like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Not like the famous YouTubers which have millions and millions of likes and tens of millions of subscribers. For they, a like is something small. They are working with big numbers, and for me, even a like seems to me a lot, you know, because yeah, and just my channel have all I make him. I still think in 2021, and I have an year and some months, and I still think I am in the beginning. If you hear a baby crying, it's my little sister. Now, it's kinda annoying to have a little sister, but it's kinda good, you know, cause it's so cute. But when he's happy, cause when he's just, ouch! What was that? I just don't expect. He's just haunting me. He's just haunting me. I Okay. That's what he done. We name him in Romanian Kush. I mean, he just totally missed. But I like to say it Kush because it sounds more funnier. And why I don't make my repair? Okay, some help. I have another battleship with me. There remain just two other battleships which are pretty dangerous. But we have in our team two battleships, but me, I'm so no knob because I make just like one, just like half one. No, I'm So we have more ships than their team. My life, not my life, my health is not good. It's just horrifying. I'm so low that even a mosquito, even a mosquito touch me, I will die. So I have some help, but please don't hit me. I hate, I hate this one. You know, even that I can't live, I can't win this match without dying. I will still fight until the end because I want to do damage so my teammate can destroy him, can sink him, and if he doesn't do that, I will be very, very angry. And of course, I'm again on fire. I activate my repairs. Of course, my repair is okay. He's on fire too, so it kinda calmed me. But okay. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just so dead. Why did I? One of my turrets are just being destroyed, and my repairs are not. Mm. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Come on, come on. Just do how much damage you can. I want to hit him and deal a lot of damage, but I can't. So he's on half health, and he have more than health. Let's see. Yeah, he just he have just 4 turrets. Which from which country? Still UK. Come on, you can. I almost all our all of my team believe in you. These two guys are fighting this one and are doing a pretty good job, but they are solo. And if you don't sink him, I will be very, very angry. Now we are coming back with the final of the match. If you die, you don't want to see what what happened if you die. So just why did you just miss that? Why the enemy so have? Why did you shoot there? I mean, the enemy is there. Uh, I don't believe you will die. You have all the advantage, but you eventually die. I and this one just capture the base. Yeah, I will come back at the final of the match again. Okay, no one have just go to the base. They just want to fight. And in this side we have this battleship, which is have more chance. And in this side we have just this guy. Come on, just shoot random stuff at him. Oh no, oh no. Okay, here's it's from Japan. It's a cruiser, and it's not pretty equipped for this battle. He have a lot. You have 1 2 3 wait just 1 2 3 6 turrets, and this one have one and just two, or that's what I just number twice. I just see, you know, everybody knows I will just be defeated. Just have 52 health. He's dead. Yeah, I'm not quite happy that I just lose, but when I fail, I try again, like this video. So I was Matthew Gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will say, of course, bye bye.